Hey everyone, Jacob from MarineMax Savannah here, and I'm excited to show you this brand new 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX. We literally just unwrapped it. We've got it out on the water here, and I'm going to show you some of the features that this boat has. So starting up here at the bow, we've got this beautiful windlass right here, windlass control right here. You can also control it at the helm. You've got a freshwater washdown for when you reel that thing in. Really nice, convenient setup on this boat. As you can see, we've got a bunch of space up here for laying out. We've got speakers on either side with a bunch of cup holders. One of the big requests people often have when they have bow seating is armrests. You can see that Sea Ray has done that. So overall, great area for the family to hang out or to sunbathe and whatnot. So you also have lighting all throughout this boat. This boat has come pretty equipped with a nice lighting package, so you'll see that as we go through the boat. Before I move back to the helm and whatnot, I want to show you this. Right here, you have a conveniently located fuse panel. It's right next to the helm. You hardly have to get up, so very easy to access and monitor your systems. We'll start over here on the port side. I'll open this door up right here. You've got a really nice sizable head in there. It is plumbed, and you've got some tile backsplash that you're going to find on these SLX models. So right here, everyone always wonders where they're going to put their keys, their wallets, and everything else. They've solved that problem right there with the glove compartment. It's even got a little USB charger in there. Transitioning over here to the helm, you've got twin Simrad display screens on this really nice acrylic panel. You've got a Fusion stereo system down here. You've got some of your auxiliary switches here, but also remember that a lot of the controls on this boat are going to be handled through the MFDs. When it comes to like the lighting or the sunshade or something like that, they have integrated that into these Simrads, which makes it very convenient. You've got your trim tab control right here, and you've got your Mercury throttle control right here, and you've got twin 350 V10s on this thing, along with joystick piloting, which is, for anyone who knows, anyone who's concerned about docking, this is a huge game changer. As you can see, we've currently got the skyhook activated. We're sitting out here on the river. We're not moving at all, even given this this wind out here. So that is a huge advantage, especially if you're looking for some convenience on the water or while docking. So I'm going to go ahead and move us back over to the port side. This is a unique seating situation right here. You can pop that up if you want to get a little taller on that, or if you want to interact with your guests, you can swing that all the way around, put it back down, and now you've got this massive seating area that is just great for entertaining. Right here, you've got your JBL subwoofer. As I said, this is an upgraded sound system. This boat sounds great when you turn that stereo system on. Since I'm standing right here, I'm gonna jump right here, and you can see you can open this sunroof up all the way right there, which gets that breeze in here, especially if you're sitting out somewhere and you want a little extra sunshine and whatnot. So all in all, very convenient add. Coming back here, I'm gonna transition over to this right here. So they've got this nice panel door that covers this Dometic fridge right in here. Close that. And then maybe you want a cooler as well, and they've got cooler storage right there. You've also got a nice little kitchenette area if you want to prepare your food and whatnot. You've got a sink right here, and as I may have mentioned up in the bow, you've got lighting throughout. So if you're out at night and you want to enjoy whether that lighting down here, or you're just looking for that ambiance, that's a great little selection that they have on this boat. You actually have lighting. You won't be able to see it during the day, but there's actually lighting up in this hardtop as well that looks really nice. Right here is the insert for your table. Currently the table is stored down in here. When we take pictures, we'll make sure that the pictures include that table as well, because it's a beautiful teak table, and I think it totally changes the look of this whole seating area. So once again, I'm sorry about the wind. I hope that you can hear me well. It's okay, I'll do another if I need to. But I'm gonna go ahead and bring you back here. You've got fresh water right here for washing down the kids. Maybe people coming in off of the beach and you need them, you don't want sand up in the boat. You pull that out quick and wash them down. Very easy to use. You've got a large sun pad back here, and you've got a 12-volt outlet right there for inflating the inflatables. You've got stereo control right there. Once again, you've got this large sun pad back here, and these will pop up and lock into place, providing you with a nice backrest right here. You've got cup holders on either side, and last but not least, you've got twin Mercury 350 V10 Verados on this. This boat is very well powered. As you can see, it's got the electric steering and joystick control. We're staying in one position, even amidst this wind. One more item that I want to show you on the back of this boat is this platform right here, which is a really neat feature. So, all in all, once again, my name is Jacob from MarineMax Savannah, and I can't wait to see you.